Welcome to Reality's Agent Deluxe program. This video is designed to explain how to interpret the data found under the performance icon. For the purpose of this video, I'm using an older Chicago database, but as a member, your program will have an up-to-date database that you required for your MLS. Let's take a look at performance. We'll first click on the first item in the drop-down menu, Combined Ends by the Numbers. We can see that in Chicago, there are 23,817 agents results showing here. Now, there actually may be 25,000 agents in Chicago, but this tells us that only 23,817 agents have actually participated in a sale in the last 12 months. All of our time frames are set at 12 months, unless you choose to change them. So the information under the performance icon shows you how you're doing compared to the other agents in any district, county, city, or zip code you're in. So we can see that of the 23,817 agents in Chicago, 4,833, or 20.29% of them, participated in only one transaction in the last 12 months. We can see another 3,131 agents, or another 13.15%, for a cumulative total of 33.44% of the agents in Chicago working on less than 2 transactions in 12 months. So we can see almost 50% of the agents, 49.83 in Chicago, are working on 4 transactions or less in a year. So if you set your sights on being the number one agent or in the top 1% of agents, you can see, scrolling down the list, that in order to get there, you would need to do 77 units of transactions in Chicago to say you're in the top 1% of agents. Now, if you work in another city or community, you can filter down first before looking at that information, and the chart will change accordingly. Let's filter by a city first. We'll choose the city of Bartlett and add it to our search, and we can see it's gone into the search criteria box, and the performance chart has now changed accordingly. So we can see that in the city of Bartlett, 706 agents have participated in a transaction in the last 12 months. Of those 706, 522 have done one transaction. So right here we can see 88% of the agents in Bartlett are working on less than 2 transactions. Doing 10 deals in the city of Bartlett will put you squarely in the top 1% of agents. So tinkering between your filters of a city, a community, or a district or zip code, and the performance button, you'll actually maybe find a nice little niche market you never thought of working until you saw the numbers. Looking back under the performance icon, we can see the same information now broken down into dollar values of sales. Those same 706 agents, 60% did less than $300,000 in transactions in a year. So if you did $3 million in sales in Bartlett, you would definitely know that you're in the top 1% of agents. Keep in mind, help files are available in every drop-down menu by clicking on the Learn About. As well, every item has a little blue question mark, which will also explain that information and how to use it. Most pages also have a little blue and white eye icon, again with extensive written help files. When you're finished, remember to clear your search, click on your Reality logo in the top left corner, and you're back at the beginning of your program.